Good evening, friends. This evening we just read a press release which was issued by the officer on special duty to the Education Department, Government of Sikkim, wherein it has been mentioned that the Sikkim International University Act 2021 has been repealed, keeping in mind the non-operational and non-functional status of the Sikkim International University, Sribadam. Let me remind all of you that on 13th November 2025, Citizen Action Party had held one press conference regarding the different private universities in Sikkim which were not compiling, which were not following the UGC norms, which were not following the guidelines set up by the UGC. And in that same press conference, I, along with other party leaders, we had objected to the issue of Sikkim International Universities, which was involved in degree selling, because it was the university was established in 2021 and they were issuing the degrees of courses like B.Sc Radiology from 2023 onwards, which clearly violates the norms of UGC and which clearly is against the law. And today's this press release issued by the Education Department clearly proves that whatever facts and whatever issues were brought up, whatever matter was brought up by Citizen Action Party has prevailed, and that's why the government has come into action. And after the press conference of 13th November, one of the representatives from the ruling party, or we can say the political secretary to the chief minister, in a public speech had demanded evidences and proofs from our party. And let me remind the political secretary to the chief minister that the proof and the evidence which we were demanding has been given by the Education Department itself. Sikkim lately has been involved in various establishing various fake private universities which are not following the guidelines of UGC, and after several letters from UGC, the University Grant Commission, many of those universities are still functioning in Sikkim. This is a grave concern for higher education in Sikkim, because Sikkim for a long time has been known for its integrity. People of Sikkim has been known for our honesty and integrity. But due to the corruption in Education Department led by the Chief Minister himself and the Education Minister, numerous private universities which do not have any existence in any part of the country have come up in Sikkim, which has put the future of hundreds and thousands of students who are studying in these universities. And today's action by the Higher Education Department clearly shows that something is going wrong within the private universities which are brought up by the ruling SKM party by passing private universities bills, Private Universities Act in every assembly session. And there are few more private universities which needs to be shut down, which to whom the government of Sikkim has to take legal action. Still there are many universities, and through this video release I would like to remind the students and youth who are engaged in these universities that your future is in danger because of the fact that the SKM party, for money, they introduced those bills and they let those universities come up in Sikkim. And we will pursue this matter, and we will go to every competent authority, and we will eventually go to the University Grant Commission, and we will take legal action against every private universities which are not following the guidelines of UGC, which have just come up in Sikkim by the blessings of the ruling party.